So yes, Asha, you can see in the visuals that this is the effigy of Arvind Kejriwal that has been burned by the people, by the workers of the Congress Party, and this effigy was initially garlanded by a necklace of shoes that was made, and that this is the kind of protest that our Congress Party is trying to make over here. They have currently burned this first effigy of Arvind Kejriwal, where the workers of the Congress Party are now beating this effigy with sticks and stones, just trying to make a point of the excise policy that was put up by the Delhi government has definitely affected each and every family in the national capital. The manner in which, as the Congress claims, that the manner in which the cases of domestic violence has gone up. This is all being claimed by the Aam Aadmi Party. There is still no official document to submit this. But yes, the Congress Party is claiming that they are protesting. They are angry against Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal because they think that they have managed to destroy each and every family. They have managed to destroy the youth of the country by giving them, providing them free alcohol, making them dependent on alcohol. So you can see in the visuals over here, the action has started over here. The speeches have ended, and just in the next few minutes, the senior leaders of the Congress Party are now talking to the Delhi police, just trying to find a way to allow them to carry out with their protest. But yes, if you could see in the visuals over here, the first effigy has been burned. I'll ask my camera person to show you in the visuals over here. The hectic parley between the senior leaders of the Congress Party and the Delhi police is currently going on. The workers have started to gather out here on the barricades. They have started to gather out here on the barricades. They are talking to senior officials of the Delhi police, trying to put out a point that they should be allowed to carry out with the protest, and they'll make sure that no violence happens. But since the Delhi police is not allowing them, has not given them any sort of permission, we can see more action developing over here. The leaders, the workers have gathered right across the barricades. In fact, that they have started to climb and cross the barricades as of now. But yes, the Delhi police and the women police is also present over here. They are trying to make sure that no one is allowed to cross this barricade in any way possible. That is the reason why the entire stretch of this road has been absolutely barricaded by the Delhi police, and the sloganeering has started right outside right in front of the barricades of the Delhi police. And yes, in the next few minutes we can see the Congress workers trying to cross these barricades and reach at the Aam Aadmi Party office, which is just across the road from here. So yes, the action is beginning over here. More effigies will be burnt in the next few minutes, is what we are being told. And yes, the Congress Party will try to make the right noises and say that they stand with the people of Delhi, and the manner in which the entire excise policies, so-called scam, has come to the fore. That scam that has been unearthed, that takes the right conclusion. And when people actually read about this entire story or this entire scam, the Congress Party also has a name in that story. So this is the plan of the Congress Party as of now, and it is expected that they would try to cross over the barricades. But yes, the senior leaders of the Congress Party are talking to the police. The police is trying to still convince them that please do not take the law and order situation in your hand. You had the permission to carry out a protest outside your office, and that permission has been given, and hence the Delhi police has not objected to anything. To all the protests that has been happening over here for at least past 1 hour. The Delhi police has not objected to them, but has only said to stay away from the barricades and do not cross barricades and do not try to take the law and order situation in their hand. And as the discussion is going on, it remains to be seen if the Congress workers are now actually convinced to not cross these barricades and end the protest over here. But as of now, the situation seems to be in control right now, as the Delhi police has allowed them to carry out with their protest in front of these barricades. They wouldn't be allowed to cross those barricades, and it seems that as of now the situation is getting back in control. The workers have now sat in front of these barricades. If you can see in the visuals over here, the workers have now sat in front of these barricades and have started sloganeering, just trying to make the right noises. The slogans, if you could hear, the slogans are being made against the liquor mafia in the national capital. And so yes, they are currently demanding the resignation of Manish Sisodia. So yes, it remains to be seen if this entire protest will remain peaceful, or will the Congress workers get agitated enough to cross these barricades. But as of now, it seems that the Delhi police has managed to convince them to stay behind these barricades and carry out these protests from inside these barricades as of now, Aisha.
All right, Anshul, so essentially, can you tell us about the slogans that are being raised right now?
So yes, the slogans, if I could just ask my camera person to show you the visuals over here. The slogans are being raised against the liquor mafia. The slogans are being raised against the Delhi government. Slogans are being raised against Manish Sisodia, Arvind Kejriwal, and slogans are also being raised demanding the resignation of Manish Sisodia. If you could hear in the background over here, the slogans that are being raised: Manish Sisodia istifa do, Manish Sisodia istifa do. So yes, this is the basic message that the Congress Party is trying to give out. They are trying to make sure that this message is propagated over here, that they stand against the corruption of the Congress Party, and hence demand the resignation of Manish Sisodia, who is the number one accused in the FIR that has been filed by the CBI. If you could see in the visuals over here, other senior leaders of the Congress Party have all gathered here. I'll just try and get in a word from sir. The Congress Party is protesting today, but yes, the Congress Party has been accused of hypocrisy. Just a week and a half ago, the Congress Party hit the roads when Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi were investigated by the central agencies. And today, again, when central agencies have investigated someone from the Aam Aadmi Party, the Congress has hit the road. How do you respond to this?
I don't think there is any hypocrisy on part of the Congress, and Congress is still holding the same stand, and BJP is misusing income tax, ED and CBI against the opposition. And it's true, but in this case, it's a very obvious, 144 crore rupees is a very obvious. And secondly, that they have started harming BJP somewhere to contain them. Maybe it is tacit understanding between, which did not work out. They thought that they will not go beyond harming the Congress. Now they have started harming the BJP also, just to control them. Might be possibility control them. And still we are holding the same position. And as far as ED notice to Rahul ji and Sonia ji concerned, completely different. No money transaction, no policy alteration or amendment into policy, and the party has given the fund to its newspaper to run it. And of course, that is not at all a case of money laundering or any embezzlement. So the cases are different.
So what is the